Hi, this is a part 2 or a follow-up to my previous video about N-acetylcysteine and why I recommend it as a treatment for COVID-19 and other flu viruses and as a supplement in preparation for becoming infected with these viruses. As I explained before, all of my symptoms disappeared upon taking the N-acetylcysteine, so like many crazy scientists do, I stopped taking it, and within 8 hours I had all of my symptoms back. And I thought that was very interesting, so I took the N-acetylcysteine again, and my symptoms disappeared once again within an hour. And I repeated this experiment daily over the course of the next 3 weeks. And every time I stopped taking the N-acetylcysteine, the symptoms came back within 4 to 8 hours, and whenever I started taking the N-acetylcysteine again, the symptoms disappeared rapidly. So I think people should probably add this to their supplement regimen to replete their livers with glutathione and fight off the worst of this disease if it afflicts you.